I'm going to show you how to stream your games live on TikTok. So first you'll need to open up your browser and then search for TikTok Live Studio and click on the first link, Download Live Studio. And then you will need to click on the download button for Windows or whatever operating system you're using. And then you'll need to run the installer for the Live Studio and then just click Install Now. And once you download and install the Live Studio, just click on the Open button. And if you start using it for the first time, it will ask you to sign into your TikTok account. So just click on Login on TikTok, or you can type your email and password. This will take you to the browser to sign in. And once it's open, you will need to set up the scene layout. So if you want to go in portrait mode for mobile-like layout, you can choose this one. You want to go landscape for your computer, which means streaming the entire screen in the landscape mode. You can choose this, and you can also go to dual layout, which means portrait and landscape. But in this case, if you want to only use or stream from your Windows or your computer, you can use landscape mode, and then you can click on the plus icon for sources to add a source. But I'm currently having sources from OBS, which automatically imported them here. But for you, this might be empty, so just click on plus under sources and choose game capture, and then click on add. And now you can choose any full screen game or select a specific game. And simply, when you click on this dropout, you should find all the games or the apps running on your computer, and then choose from them. Currently, I don't have any game running, but you should see them in this list, like the Spotify right here. And then you can check compatibility mode for better game compatibility, but this might affect performance. You can also capture the mouse cursor if you want to, and then click on add source. And this should basically start capturing the game or the window. And you can click on this eye to show and hide the window from your stream. You can also add a camera by clicking on the plus icon again here, and then choosing camera. In this case, you will need to click camera here and then add. And this should basically allow you to adjust the settings for your camera and choose your camera device and the resolution. And then click on add source, and you will be able to adjust the height or the size of the camera, which, as you can see right here, and place it on your screen. You can also add a bunch of stuff such as the notifications for followers and follower goals and stuff like that. And once you're ready, you can basically hit the go live button, and this should basically go live on your TikTok. Of course, if you can go live, which requires certain requirements or milestones to be met for you to go live. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.